Yes, good morning dear students. So once again we are back to the English class. So in this new plus one higher secondary first year, this is the academic year 2021, you are starting a fresh year in the online classes itself. So in this situation, last class I have been taught you a first couple of stanza in Gabriel poem Once Upon a Time, which means the first unit of poem, right? And let me quickly sum up what we have revised in the last class. Here, once upon a time, son, they used to laugh with their hearts and laugh with their eyes, which means Gabriel Okala here speaking to his son once upon a time, which means in the previous years, during their days, during Gabriel days, people used to have good heart, good mind, where they used to laugh from there, where their eyes used to speak the truth, not the fake or something like that. But nowadays the trend is completely different. The world has been changed, the people has been changed. That is what the point he wants to insist here. So but now they only laugh with their teeth while their eyes bar cold eyes search behind my shadow. So nowadays they laugh with their teeth, nothing but the smile comes from only the lips, but the happiness is not felt by the heart, right? Then there was a time indeed they used to shake hands with their hearts, but that's gone, son. So this is what the people used to say, Manamara Vartudal, Manamara Santoshaparan. This is what, and the Manam, that is what the heart here, the Gabriel pointing out. So there was a time indeed people used to wish, people used to shook hands with you from their hearts. But nowadays they are shaking hands for the namesake. For the namesake. They are not wishing you from the bottom of the heart. For the namesake they are wishing. Now they shake hands without hearts, while their left hands search my empty pockets. While they are shaking hands with others, they are evaluating the person in the opposite side, whether he is a worthable person, whether he will do something for us, whether if we are going to have friendship with him, we can gain some good things or not. Like that, people are evaluating nowadays. So that is where I left in the last class. Now let us move to the next stanza. Feel at home. Feel at home. Come again, they say. And when I come again and feel at home, once, twice, there will be no thrice. There will be no thrice. For then I find doors shut on me. I don't know whether I mentioned this old saying to you, old Tamil saying, there was a good Tamil saying to you in the previous class or not. Feel at home whenever we are going as a guest to our relative house, to our friend's house as a friend. Those elders used to say, feel at home, as if this was your home. You want to make use of anything, make use it. You take your food, come here again, come here again. This is how the people used to say. But come again, they say, and when I come again, when we are going for the second time, and when we are going to feel at home like that, once it is okay, twice it will be little bit tough. There will be no thrice. But the third time you will not get any option. What will happen? For then I find doors shut on me. When you are going to give hello, who is there? Open the door. Automatically they will shut the door with some sound where you have to shut your mouth and move away. That is what the reaction comes. That is what the Tamil saying say. When you go to your relation house, first they will put your lunch in vaazhai ilai, banana leaf. First time வாழை இலை, அடுத்தது தை இலை, then the next finally கை இலை. They will give you food as if you are begging, right? That is what here Gabriel Okala trying to say you. You will feel at home at once, at twice, and then you are going to the same place for the third time, thrice. There will be no thrice time. There will be no thrice. You have to beg like this. வாழை இலை, தை இலை, then கை இலை. Right? For them I find door shut on me. They will shut the door where the sound will heard by you. You have to shut and you have to move away from the place. This is what the present situation going on here. Let us move to the next stanza. So I have learnt many things, son. So I have learnt many things. Whether we have to go to the relative's house very often, or whether we are not going to go, or what we have to do, or what we are not supposed to skip it like that. So I have learnt many things, son. I have learned to wear many faces. I have learned to wear many faces like dresses. So when you are going to sit in your home, we used to sit with a lungi or a shorts and a neck banian. We used to sit as high as you know. And women's, they used to be in shorts or nighty or whatever it is going to be, depending upon the culture. They used to be remain at their house with their night dress or whatever it is going to be. That is a dress for their home. So like that, when you are going to remain at your home, but when you are coming out to the office, you will be coming with trimmed, ironed, shaved face, trimmed haircut, like that you will come. Like that, when you are at home with your people, with your relative, you are wearing the home mask. When you are coming to office, you have to be like you in the office, so that you are wearing the mask of office. The dress is different from home. The face is different from home, which means the work should be done. So what you will do? You will be shouting with others, complete it, or else I have to answer to the manager, etc. People do it. Like that, you have to wear the face mask. That is what he is telling you. Like dresses, home face, office face, and street face. When you are going into the streets, you have to behave like as if you are in the street, and you should be as pleasant in the atmosphere and as careful, like somebody should not grab your purse, grab your belongings, like that. So street face, office face, home face, then host face. When you are talking to somebody in front of others, you should be having the host face, then cocktail face. This is cocktail means a kind of drink where a lot of mixture used to be mixed. That is what called cocktail. Like that, cocktail face means a mixed image of all these things. You will be sometime like Shivaji Ganesan, you will be smiling, you will be crying, you will be worrying, you will be feeling too happy, etc. All the emotions will be spreaded down, all these faces will be compiled together. That is what called the cocktail face. So with all their confirming smiles, like a fixed portrait smile. So see, home means that is separate, office means that is separate face, street means that is a separate face. Like that, depending upon the places, everything, you will be having a portrait face fixed. Wherever we go, wherever we are, we should be like this. We are supposed to be like this. Like that, a frame will be framed by you in your mind, and whatever your mind saying, you will be expressing in your face and mouth and tongue. Right? This is what the fourth stanza says. Right? Right? Let us go to the fifth stanza of this poem. So almost whatever the poet tried to say to his son, he has said in the first four stanza. And the last three stanza, he used to give the minimum message of a conclusion of how he should behave and how he should change himself, like that. Look at here. And I have learned to laugh with only my teeth. Now I here refers to the poet. You will be getting in the comprehension questions. That is more important. I here refers to the poet, not to his son. Now the poet himself learning little bit like his son's culture. What he is learning? To laugh with only my teeth. Not feeling happy right from the bottom of the heart. Rather, whenever, come here, right, how are you, super, like that, showing teeth with fake smiles. Now I am learning the fake smile. Now I am learning the fake smile. To laugh with only my teeth and shake hands without my heart. So if you are congratulating somebody, you used to express your congratulation right from the bottom of your heart, the happiness right from the bottom of your heart. Oh, congratulations, keep it up, go ahead, like that. Nowadays, shaking hands without my heart. You are one, no? Oh, what is the use of that? Okay, congratulations. Like that, without any effort, without any smile, without any wishing. So, extremely heart closed. So, and shake hands without my heart, not expressing the happiness. I have also learned to say goodbye. So, when somebody doing favor, we are say good. And somebody doing unfavor of us, say goodbye. No, I am not going to have any touch with you. I am not interested to have any touch with you. Okay, goodbye. Like that, closing the relationship. And when I mean good riddance, for example, this is a good term. Good riddance means, for example, you are going to a friend, he is having a different guide. Now after finishing this, what you have to do? You have to submit the assignment. Go through the text, you are not understanding the points. It may be one of your friend is having a guide. By looking at the guide, we can do the assignment as comfort as you can. While you are going and asking, he used to say, what guide? I don't have the guide. Your friends used to say. You know that he is having. Then what you will be doing? You will be asking one time, two times. Next time what you will say? Say goodbye. I won't stand in front of you hereafter. You remain like that. Like that you used to shout at him and come again. This is what happening every now and then. Am I right? This is how in nowadays going on. This is how the relationship is between friendship is going on. Right. So like that, when you don't want anybody, you can quit them from the life, you can quit from them and you can stay alone. That is what called good riddance. Goodbye, good riddance. Goodbye you can say to the people whom you don't like, whom you don't want. And here good riddance, staying away from the people whom they are not helpful to you, or whom you don't want. To say glad to meet you, he may be an important person, he may be a helpful person. You will be going to him, you will be saying, oh friend, come on, super, oh so glad to meet you, like that you may say. But without being glad. Because he may be in overseas getting 50,000, 1 lakh salary, you may be in the Indian country getting 10,000 or 20,000, so that you may not get the glad. You may get only the vengeance nowadays. Nowadays you are getting the vengeance, not the glad. So, to say glad to meet you without being glad, you will be saying glad to meet you. And to say, it's been nice talking to you. Nice talking to you. Like that you say, but after being bored. When we are talking to you, he may not respond that the discussion may be little bit bored, not only little bit, but it may be too much bored. You try to complete it, you may escape from there like that. But after completing, since you have to have good touch with them, what you will be saying? Nice to talking you, brother, nice to talking you, sister, nice to talk to you, sir. Like that you used to give some build-up basics, right? Let us go to the next page. Yes, next page. Next page, the final couple of stanzas. But believe me, son, I want to be what I used to be. I want to be what I used to be. Naturally, who you are. Naturally, how you are. Like that I want to be. I don't want to pretend like a fake person. When I was like you at the young age. That is what? Here you refers to the son of the poet. I refers to the poet. Most important line. You will be getting at least one line from these two lines. When I was like you, I here refers to the poet, you here refers to the poet's son, to whom the poet is talking of. Right? Understand? So, but believe, son, I want to be what I used to be when I was like you. When I was like you, a young person, I want to be what I like to be. But now it is not so. I want to unlearn all these muting things. I want to unlearn, which means I want to forget all these beautiful things. I too want to be a fake person. This is what the ultimate thing that is narrowing down here. To unlearn all these muting things, most of all, I want to relearn how to laugh, for my laugh in the mirror shows only my teeth like a snake's bare fangs. How the venomous snake, fangs means bare fangs, snakes bare fangs. Fangs means the tongue of the snake which used to be bite, which it used to spit the venomous. Like that, he want to unlearn all the good things. He want to forget all the good things. He want to mute all the good things. Rather, he want to have the heartless speech, the heartless shake, the happyless shake. Most of all, I want to relearn. That is what the word unlearn means. Forget the method which I learned earlier, being truth. Here relearn means relearning whatever it is fake. Relearn how to laugh with others. For my laugh in the mirror shows only my teeth. During that time he used to show only the teeth. That is what the most important thing. During the time he used to show only the teeth, not the smile right from the bottom of the heart. Shows only the teeth like a snake's bare fangs. The snakes are venomous. Like that, but it used to show its tongue by warning. Like that, I want to be like a venomous snake and I don't want to be a proper person like as I was in my younger days, as I was like you. Right? The final 4 lines. So, show me, son. So, show me, son, how to laugh. Show me how I used to laugh and smile. So he is asking to his son finally, teach me how I should laugh as fake as I could. Show me how I used to laugh and smile. Teach me. So the father Gabriel Okola is begging to his son, teach me how I should cheat others, how I should laugh with others and cheat them, how I used to laugh in front of others and smile. Once upon a time when I was like you. So now you are in my age. When I was thinking you as my age, that was not there. So you teach to me so that I will learn all these fake items, fake kind of handshaking, fake kind of smiles, etc. And through that I will try to succeed in my life. This is what the Gabriel Okara trying to his son to teach him. Right? With this, the poem is over, and the homework is, you can scroll up. You will be having ERC. You will be having comprehension question. You will be having appreciation question like this. Based on this, you can answer all this question. The homework is all the book back, comprehension, appreciation and ERC should be written by you and post it to my cell number, even if not to the school number. Right? This is what the homework I am giving to you. Soon we will be meeting in next class with a different topic. Until then, you are not supposed to waste your time in different areas. Work hard, study, complete your homework, post it so that post it to the different teachers. For example, if it is English, post it to the English teacher. If it is physics, post it to the physics teacher. Chemistry, post it to the chemistry teacher. Right? So that they will be correcting your test papers. They will be correcting your Saturday, Sunday test papers, and they will be giving back your comments. So this is how we are following the education system in this pandemic situation. Hope all the parents can cooperate with us. They can, by paying the first term fees, collect the textbooks and do it as comfort as you can. Thank you.
Character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Curriculum Parker.
I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay. Knowledge forever, love forever. Faithful friends to see the culture. Lovely teachers and for wisdom. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.
லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே எஸ்ஆர்டி. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணின போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் சொல்லு எஸ்ஆர்டி. ஒரே லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே எஸ்ஆர்டி. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணின போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் சொல்லு எஸ்ஆர்டி.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3 Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School 45/7 Dillianur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.